BIBO's birthday party. It's BIBO's birthday today. He's very excited. Happy birthday to me, he says to himself. He has invited his best friends, Mino the monkey, Polo the pig, and Sarah the sheep to his birthday party. Happy birthday, BIBO! They all say together as they hand him a gift. He carefully opens the gift. It's a toy car! BIBO loves it. He thanks his friends. BIBO's mom calls out, "Kids, it's time to cut the cake." Polo quickly runs towards the cake and eats the whole cake in one go. "Someone was hungry," Mom chuckles. No worries. BIBO's mom brings out another cake from the kitchen. Thanks to Mom, BIBO has a really happy birthday.